Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by signing into your Google account, then open Google Drive. Once there, upload the Excel, XLSX, file or convert it to Google Sheets if you prefer real-time editing. Make sure the upload completes, you'll see the file in My Drive. If you convert, Google creates a separate Sheets version. If not, the original XLSX remains. This first step matters because a visible, fully uploaded file is required before you can generate a shareable link. Once the file is ready, right-click it and choose Share, then Get Link. Change link access from restricted to anyone with the link if you want broad access. Otherwise, add specific people by email. Next, pick the role. Viewer prevents edits, commenter allows notes, editor grants full edit rights. Make sure to consider security. Choose the least privilege needed. After selecting the role, click Copy Link, then Done. This step controls who can open, comment on, or change your Excel file. You finish by pasting the link into an email or message and sending it to recipients. Once sent, test the link in an incognito window to confirm the access level and that the file opens correctly. This verifies viewer versus editor behavior. If someone can't access it, return to Share and either add their email directly or change link scope. Troubleshooting tip. If permissions don't apply, ensure the file is fully synced and that you didn't copy a stale link. Recopy after making changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.